I finally got a code that got accepted on BeCexy airdrops, as you can see clearly here, that says code accepted and it is marked, right? So, but anytime I see people commenting the code, please drop the code, please drop the code, I'm just kind of worried because this is putting people under pressure and people are really suffering for this. And I just hope the stress we are passing through actually worth it. Okay. So now, apart from that, when you're commenting to drop the code, I'm not actually going to drop the code, or even before I make a video about the code. No, that is a very long process. A lot of people might have used the code. Okay. So what you just simply need to do, as I said in my previous videos, you can join the Telegram channel, right? So once I get any new code, I'm going to drop it there, right? Even the one I used, immediately I used it and it worked, I have to drop it. I don't even have to write any write-up about it because of time. So I just have to drop it. Okay, but unfortunately, not many people are online. So I just hope it works for them as well. So one thing again is that you really need to be active to get this code. Okay. So as soon as you get the code, I'll be dropping in the Telegram channel, right? So that is it for that. After I've gotten the code, I just need to go ahead and complete the verification. Okay. So before then, if you're on the channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, turn on all notifications to get all the latest updates. Okay. Now need to get this marked, then you apply for qualification. Click on apply for qualification now. Are you sure? Okay, about to apply for airdrop qualification. Cannot edit your Telegram, your wallet account after submitting application. Continue. Okay. So once you've submitted everything, you can click on yes, apply, and make sure everything is complete. Okay. Now you did great. You have submitted your application and it will now proceed to verification. Okay, so this is very funny. This is the allocations I actually have for my CEXY, then the CEDEX tab and the wigwam drum. So I got 0 for this one. So the total CEXY I have is 980. Okay. So you can click on submit request again. Now you are requesting CEXY token based on your game's achievement. The request cannot be cancelled once submitted. Okay. All right. So let me just go back a bit. So make sure whatever is here is correct with what you are going to use. Then click on submit request. Then confirm request. So CEXY on the way. You have successfully submitted your exchange request. Now you can click on got it. And that will be that for that. So I'm just waiting for other people to apply for location and wait for the airdrop fulfillment to actually finish because we are at 68%, right? Okay. So this is for that, and I hope you do enjoy it. And don't forget again, join the Telegram channel, and I'll see you in the next one.